Okay, so mounting a Toden bracket to the wall needs to hit some sort of a anchor point. That could be a stud or masonry contact. It really doesn't matter. But something that we are encouraging is that you use the right fastener. So GRK fasteners are nice because they come in white. And it is just like hanging a cabinet, and it fits inside the bracket and it gets a nice connection. GRK also has the same fastener with a gold tip. Since there's a color preference, we like black. Black fastener is always nice. And these headlocks are super nice too because they have a head. And the head fits directly in the top and also fits in the bottom. Lastly, in more of the utility application, garage setting, GRK offers a heavier duty fastener with a larger head, just like the headlock, that's a little bit thicker for those high loaded scenarios. And I completely forgot, because we don't always get everything at the store. You can always just use a sheetrock screw and a 1/4-20 washer or fender washer, drop it through the top and get that nice secure connection too. And that's it. Just choose the right fastener, find your stud, and you're set to go.